If you're like me, you've probably been waiting for HomeKit support to finally be released for the IKEA HomeSmart blinds. It happened. Let's check it out. Hey guys, Chris Young here from HomeKit Geek, the channel where we bring you new smart home content every week. Subscribe if that sounds like it might interest you. In today's video, this is going to be a short one, just kind of showing you an update that happened for me yesterday, which is IKEA finally released the HomeKit support for the Fyrtur IKEA HomeSmart blinds. So IKEA has a slow but steady approach to the smart home. Their trode-free system, now rebranded as HomeSmart, has been around for a while, and it's not bad, right? It offers some good advantages. It offers a great price point. It's an IKEA-like product, but they also have a history of releasing products like the plug, for instance, and then the blinds, where they don't actually support Apple HomeKit at time of release, but take their time to really make sure, hopefully, that that support is right. Once again, they've done that, and once again, they have given me more confidence in their products and in their commitment to this market, in that they released, at least in Canada, they released the HomeSmart IKEA Smart Blind support for HomeKit yesterday. For those not familiar with the IKEA HomeSmart blinds, I'm going to put a link up here to a previous review on these. Check that out if you'd like to learn more about them. Let's take a look. So IKEA released the HomeSmart blinds, depending where you live, anywhere from a year or more to within the last 3 or 4 months. And when they were first released, just like with other IKEA products like the Smart Plug, they were released without Apple HomeKit support. So really what we were left with was the ability to either use Google or the remote control. So I am really super happy and excited to say that IKEA has now released support. So if you are at least in Canada, and I've seen this in Europe as well, if you're running version 1.10.29 and your blinds are at 2.2.009, you will now have Apple HomeKit support. And what do you have to do? Absolutely nothing. It will just appear, assuming that you've got your IKEA HomeSmart already connected into your Apple HomeKit Home. So the one thing that you're going to have to do, though, is go in and put this in the right room. So if you know how to get to your bridge, you can do that automatically. These will appear in the default room, or more accurately in whatever room that the trode-free gateway is in. So really we're just going to grab the blinds, go to the default room, put this in the boys' bedroom, and of course the other set of blinds I have, I'm going to also put those in the girls' bedroom, but I won't make you watch that. So once we are done that, it's just this easy. We can log into our Apple HomeKit interface and just click on that button to open the blinds and close them, or you can go halfway down. You can go straight open close. You can control it with the remote, with Google, all at the same time. Or, of course, you can also use this as part of your automations now. So if you want to have this open the blinds automatically in the morning, or close at night, or close when Philips Hue motion sensor detects that there's too much light in the room, we have all these options now.